What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here, and in this video, I'm going to be back testing my strategy on FxReplay. Now, I've got two setups. I've got one strategy, but I've got two setups within that strategy. I'm going to be back testing one. I'm not going to show you guys the entire strategy, but I'm going to be back testing one just so you guys can, not only for my strategy, it's just to show you guys FxReplay and how great this back testing software is. If TradingView could implement some of the things that this implements, TradingView would be way better. I'm just so used to TradingView. There's just certain things on here that aren't the best, but again, great backtesting software, great backtesting software. And let me show you guys actually this MLBM setup that I have. This is my A plus setup and this is my B setup. Let me show you the stats on the A setup. The great thing about this software, it tracks literally everything for you. Literally everything. It tracks. So I started with the 200K account, up 21%. This is over the course of 39 trades. Win rate's 50%. RR is about 2.1, which is about 2, which is really good, which is very accurate because I only go for 1 to 2s. 119, lost like 14 or something like that. And it gives you all the stats, every single stat. It tells you what days you took the trade, whether you profited that day, whether you lost that day, the months. It has everything you need in a backtesting software. You can see this month I made money, this month I lost money. But again, all these profitable months make up for it. That's one. And two, I'm not done with this month yet. All right. But for the most part, I'm going to go through these months and you can see so far year to date, up 21.5%, which is amazing. All right. And it gives you all of these stats, which is very cool. So highly recommend this backtesting software. It's not that I'm affiliated with them. I don't have a link or anything. I just want you guys to go ahead and practice your strategy. If you feel like you have an edge, go ahead and test that edge with this software. If not, I would say stick to TradingView until you find your edge, and then you can come on here and test your edge out. Just because this is $35 a month, you may or may not have it, but I think it's worth it. And so let's go ahead and backtest a strategy or one of my setups. We're gonna create a session. I'm probably gonna do this on. Let's do it. Just do 100K. I'm probably gonna do this on GCAD. That's about it. GP, CAD, and I'm gonna show you guys the full thing from start to finish. The minimum is April 1st, 2017. So we'll go about 2017. Where are we at? 2017. We'll go on August 2017. August 1st, 2017 to today, which is, or yesterday, which is the 12th. Strategy, MLBM, we're not going to do these. I would like smooth candles, enable that, and we're going to save it, and we're going to hop into the backtesting session. All right, we started off with $100,000. I'm just going to do 10 trades just so this video isn't too long. You guys are going to see me mark it up, so on and so forth, and give you guys the entire rundown on this. So we're going to put a level here. These levels aren't going to be 100% accurate. I like to do rounded key levels. But for the sake of brevity and trying not to make this video too long, I'm not going to round them out. So I'm just going to give estimation, but still accurate. Queen. You can see I'm just looking at the different levels here where rejections occur, and I'm putting my my horizontal lines at those areas. Beautiful right here. You got a nice one right over here. Beautiful. Boom. Let's go another one. I like this right here. That's very nice. All right, so we're currently right here. You can see on the monthly time frame where we currently are in structure. So we broke down here, came back. It looks like we're retesting this level over here, this 17700 level. And once we got to that level, we pushed back down, and you can see it's holding as a level of support now. So you can see there was a strong level of support over here, resistance over here, excuse me. Price broke above it, and now it seems like it's starting to use it as support. Now what I want to see is for price to break back above some kind of structure point in order for me to confirm buys. So if price breaks above here, I'll start looking for buys to the upside. But if price breaks below, I'll start looking for shorts to the downside. So let's see what happens. Go ahead and play this out. 4-hour candles. Let's go to 8 hour. Let's wait and see. We actually broke above here, so we had this break low, break above. Beautiful. So price comes back down here. That'll be very clean for buys as well. So I'm either looking for, let me see, where is this? I'm either looking for, why don't I have that tool? Where are we at? Where are we at? There we go. I'm either looking for this, or I should do this. There we go. So now it's right here. Or something like this. For price to break back below. For price to come back down here to continue to the upside. So let's see what happens. I'm going to play this out. Rapid speed. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right. We retested this area right here. Let me go ahead and delete these lines. So once again, I don't want this video to be too long, so it might be 5 trades, 5 or 10 trades. We'll see what happens. So we came back, we retested that level, and now you can see it seems like we're getting a break back above again. Let's see if we can break it back above this level right over here. Let's see what happens. So we retested that. See if we get our setup. 30 minutes. Oh, we actually had a clean setup here, but didn't catch it. Not a big deal. Another clean setup. Let's see if did it go for 1 to 2. Oh, this one already hit 1 to 2, so that's not. We're not interested in that anymore. Let's see the 5 minute. Nope, nothing on the 15. 5. Continue to play this out. See if we can come back down here and give it another setup. All right, there we go. Let's see if we've got anything. Nothing as of yet. Nope, nothing yet. All right, there we go. We got another retest of that low. Let's see if we see anything. Nothing yet. So we're still waiting, still waiting, still waiting. Still waiting. I'm always going to be constantly switching through time frames. Constantly switching through. Let's see if we get a break above here. Not yet. Nope. See on the 30 minute. Nothing yet. No setups. No setups. No setups. I'm not skipping through anything. I'm not cheating. Not at all. I'm keeping it real with you guys. There we go. We got another retest of that low. I know price wants to go up. I'm not saying that price is guaranteed to go up. I just have a good feeling that price wants to go up. All right. Let's see where we are in structure. All right, there we go. We got a nice setup. We're going to take this trade right up here. We're going to go for 1 to 2. Let's just say we're in this trade right now. Oh, I should have put place order. So let me go back. So I'm taking this trade, replay to this date, and I'm going to hit. This is the beautiful thing about it. It tracks literally everything for you. So let's say I decided to get in right here. So I'm in the market right now. Well, not yet. I'm going to place an order. Hit place order. Boom. We're risking 1%, which is 1,000. And it automatically calculates. Once you put one of these things on, like a position on, it automatically calculates the stop loss based on where you put your stop loss and TP. It automatically calculates those things. And if you hit save and journal, it's going to journal it. You can take a screenshot if you want to. You can take a screenshot, boom, take as many screenshots as you want. And it has the date on there. You can add many screenshots, as I said. You can put a checklist. You can put tags if you want and type in text, hey, price swept lows and broke back above, so on and so forth, whatever the case is. And then you hit save And then after the trade plays out, whether it's stop loss or TP, this is going to turn either red or green. Red if it's stop loss, green if it's TP. Right now, they don't know what happens because, well, right now it's great because they don't know if you won or lost. In this case, we won, so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. If we go back to journal, you're going to see now it turned green. And you can view it, what happened. And then you can take another screenshot, hit edit, and then you can hit add screenshot, and it shows everything. And then you just make sure you hit save. All right, so this is green, and it's going to calculate everything. And you can see right over here, we're up 2% now. We risk 1% to make 2%. So this is our realized P&L, and we have unrealized P&L. Unrealized P&L is just your equity. And then the realized P&L is your balance, the closed equity. All right, the profit. So let's look for another trade. See if we can find another one. Let's go. Did you give us one? No. Did you give us a setup? No setup just yet. Do I want to take that? This one's too high. I don't want to take it. It's a beautiful setup, but it's too high. And exactly, good thing I didn't take it. All right, let's see. See what price wants to do. Let's see. All right, we're going to put a buy limit here. I like this. We're going to put a buy limit, go for 1 to 2 again. So we got a buy limit, 1 to 2. So this time, same thing, place order. But this time, instead of market execute, you hit limit. And then just to make sure entries at the right side, 1.64853, 835, excuse me. Yes. All right. Stop loss, 1.64546. All right, perfect. So I'm going to save and journal this. Add screenshot if you want. And again, it's gray because nothing has happened yet. So we're just we have a buy limit. We're not in the trade yet. Once price comes back and crosses this line, we're in the trade. All right, now we're in the trade. Now we're in the trade. Actually, let this play out by itself. All right, so currently, oh, I should have showed you, but we got stopped out. It would have showed, you would have seen the equity right here at this middle line around your entry point, whether you were positive or negative. It shows the equity. Now we are down. You can see it calculates it automatically. We lost 1% on that trade. Realized P&L, we're up 1%, and unrealized, we're not in the trade, so there's no unrealized P&L. So let's go back to the 2 hour. I'm still bullish until price. Where are we? Until price starts breaking down more. Break this. Let's see. All right. Now we're looking. Still looking for buys. I want price to break above here and retest, but we'll see what happens. See where we are in structure. Currently, all right, we're in a no trade zone. We'll see what happens. If price breaks below or not. All right, we've broken below. Boom, we broke below. All right, let me go back a little bit because this candle looked pretty good. Replay to the state. I'm not cheating. I didn't see a setup. I just missed the retest, which could have potentially had a setup. That's all I'm doing. All right, so we're at the retest right now. Let's see, reset. All right, let's see if we have a trade in here. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Oh, snap. Got to change this. This is why it's so annoying. Because if you leave this at a higher time frame and you're at a low time frame, it's going to move this higher time frame candle. So 4 hours, which is X amount of 5-minute candles. So that's why you saw all that happen. So I could have potentially missed a trade. It is what it is, though. We're going to continue to play this out. That's one of the reasons, not to say that I hate it or don't like it, but that's one of the pet peeves I have with this software. So right now we're retesting this level right here. All right. Retesting this level. Let's see what we get within there. You gonna give us anything? Let's see what you give us. What you gonna give us? What you gonna give us? What you gonna give us? All right, let's see. Nope, almost had it set up. Oh, we had a clean setup, but I missed it. I'll just leave it. I'll just leave it. I was going way too fast. Let's see if we get another one. Let's continue to play this out. And again, you guys can see how dope this software is just from me back testing it and it calculating everything for you. Because I remember I used to have to I created an Excel sheet with different functions just to be able to calculate all this for me. And I would have to input it manually. But now with this software, you don't have to do anything. Just trade, literally. It's pretty much trade on here. That's all you have to do. See if we get something within there. All right, waiting. Nope. Let's see. All right. We have a sell limit on here, right over here. So we're going to take this. Go for 1 to 2. We're going to place an order. Sell limit. Sell limit. Should have the right entries. We're not in the trade yet. We're not in the trade yet. Not yet. If it's my TP, it's over. Oh, mistrade. Oh, came back, tapped me in. Let's go. Let's see what happens. Oh, we got stopped out. Got stopped out of this trade. We lost another 1%. No big deal. Let's continue to see where price is, and let's see if we can catch something. So price breaks above here. We'll look for buys. Nope, didn't break above. Still looking for sells. Let's continue looking. Let me move this over here. All right, let's see the 4 hour. See if we get a strong close above. I don't like that close. Nope. Still looking for sells. Still looking for sells. All right, let's see what the 4 hour is. I like to use the 4 hour for judgment. Let's see where this 4 hour close is. We get a strong close above. All right, that's pretty good close above. We'll look for buys now. We'll look for buys now. Let's continue waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. Nice buys, but I did not get a setup, so I didn't take a trade. So still being patient on this. Waiting for price to come back down. Waiting for price to come back down. See if it wants to. All right. Let's drop down, lower time frame. Come on, drop lower, retest. Oh, that would have been a clean setup, but I wanted it lower. Definitely wanted it lower. All right, let's continue to play this out. Let's see where we are. See where we are. Still waiting for price to create some kind of structure. All right, we've retested this zone again. Go to daily. Let's take a look. All right, I'm definitely bullish still. Definitely still bullish. Let's play this out and see what happens. Price gives some kind of push to the upside. Come on, give me a setup. A beautiful setup. Still waiting to see if price breaks back above. Let's see. Let's see where we're on the 4 hour. All right, the 4 hour is breaking back below. 4 hours breaking back. So we broke below this level. Now I'm looking for a retest to continue to the downside. Now I'm bearish. Excuse the clicking. Excuse the clicking. See if we get a push back up. So I'm looking for something like this. Push back up to continue to the downside. Nope. I needed a deeper push to the upside. Come on, push up, push up, push up, push up. There we go. That's the retest I needed. Now we can start going to a lower time frame. And let's see if price gives us some kind of setup. Simple. All right, now I'm not overcomplicating anything. I'm not talking about order blocks and all this extra stuff. Not at all. Not at all. All right, so we're getting something. We're getting somewhere. Just wait. Patience, patience. Almost had a setup. Almost had a setup. So we've broken back above. Now we're waiting for a retest of the zone somewhere over here. So we're waiting for something like this. Oh, that was definitely news. That was definitely news. That was, look at this. Look at a 5-minute candle. Yikes. That's crazy. That's a crazy candle. Ooh, 345 5-minute candle. That's nasty. That is nasty. I didn't expect that. All right, we're broken back below, and now we're looking for sells. So we're looking for sells from this area over here. So we're looking for price to do something like this. Or we could get a deeper retracement to continue to the downside. We'll see one of the two options. I'm only probably going to take 1 or 2 more trades here because I don't want this video to be too. We're already at 23 minutes. I was trying to get to 10 trades, but yeah, it's taking too long. Way too long. All right, here's the retest we're looking for. All we do is drop to a lower time frame, and we start looking for setups. Simple. As simple as that. See if we get anything. On 2 hour, nope. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. If we don't get a setup, we don't take a trade. Simple. Nope. Did not get a setup. Come on, don't disconnect. Oh, another news wick. Yikes. That was nasty. Another news wick. All right, again, this is the deeper retracement we're getting. If we start breaking it back above here, we'll start looking for buys above this level right here. We'll start looking for buys. We have to break that level above. If we drop down below here, I'll look for the retest to continue the downside. So I'm looking for either this or break above, retest, continue up. Whichever one we get, that's what I'm going for. All right, we're breaking back below. All right, waiting for a retest. So we got a close, nice close below. Now all I'm looking for is the retest to continue to the downside. Give me a deeper oh, news wicks are crazy on GCAD. Sheesh. All right, we broke above. Now we're looking for the buys. We need a retest first, though. We need that retest. I'm not taking it without the retest. Need that retest of this level. All right, so we created another high. Yikes. News candles crazy on GCAD. And I know I'm not trying to make this video too long. It's just I'm trying to look for the trade. It's not giving me an opportunity. All right, we're breaking above this level. All right, so now what I'm looking for is a retest of this. All right, we're getting that retest. We're getting that retest. See if we get a setup here now. Nothing yet. No setups yet. No setups. Hasn't given us a setup yet. Let's see. Nothing yet. Nope. Still waiting. Still waiting. All right, this was a clean setup, but we got another news wick. This was a clean setup. Let's see if it hit a 1 to 2 yet. Nope, it hasn't hit a 1 to 2 yet. If we get a retest, this will be our entry to continue to the upside. So as long as price doesn't hit our TP, this trade is still valid. So I want price to do this. I'll put a buy limit, tap us in to continue to the upside. All right, boom. Did we get stopped out? Let me go back. Replay to this date. Looks like we got stopped out. All right, let's place an order, buy a limit. I'm gonna place a buy limit. And even though we got stopped out, I'm still gonna place this just so you guys can see that we lost. All right, place order, buy limit. Save journal. Looks like we have to take a screenshot. All right, we're in the trade. We got stopped out. Still looking for a re-entry. Let's see if we get that. See if we get that re-entry. Nope, nothing yet. Come on, give me that setup. Give me that setup. Give me that setup. All right, let's get a retest of this in the zone right here. Another one of these two. Just waiting for a retest, something like this. One of these, either right here or down here, to continue to the upside. Come down. All right, now it's not looking for an entry. Still bullish until price tells me otherwise. Price shows me otherwise. Still bullish. Still looking for buys. Still looking for buys. Still looking for buys. Almost have a setup. Almost have a setup. All right, we have a setup. Buy limit. Right over here. All right, we're going for 1 to 2. We're not in this trade yet. We are not in this trade yet. We're going to put a buy limit. Boom. Not in this trade. Now we're in this trade. Oh, hit TP hit. Beautiful trade. Tap to send and then shot to the upside. So that's beautiful. You can see we are up 1%. We were at break even. And I think we're down 1%. So we are now up 1% now. Realized P&L 1,340. And you can see the positions that you took. So I'm going to stop it here just so the video isn't too long because it's already 31 minutes. But you can see which trades we closed in profit. This trade 2,000, 1,000. So risking 1% to make 2%. And then we made this one. So even though we lost more trades in terms of quantity, because of our risk to reward, you can see we are positive, 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 positive. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this tracks everything for you, everything you need. So if we go back to back testing, you can see all the days you took it, whether it was buy or sell, so on and so forth, the entry. If we go back to dashboard, and then you hit this, I think if you go to analytics, it tells you everything you need to know. Win rate 40%. We're up 1.34%, so on and so forth. Ideal RRR2, so on and so forth. So this is a beautiful software. Hopefully you guys take advantage of it. I know the video is long. It was not intended to be this long. And I thought I was going to be able to take 10 trades, but let me know if you guys don't mind the video being a little longer for you guys to see me take 10 trades and see my strategy play out the way it's supposed to play out. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you guys in the next one.